Do you guys know what falls on 1st of April?
April Fool?
1st of April, Fool's Day.
April Fool maybe.
April Fool Day?
Oh yes.
I mean, particularly on that day, you can do anything and you can just, walk out of it.
Get away with it. Have you guys ever been fooled on camera before?
No, never.
No?
Never. This will be the first time.
Okay, alright.
Is this a prank going on? Tell
No,
me.
this is not a prank. This is an interview which is going on.
This is a prank.
No, this is not a prank.
One time I tricked my friend into believing I was pregnant, but I wasn't pregnant.
Oh my god, मेरा iPhone गिर गया.
You are Rishabh, huh? You met me on that gay party last night.
He likes playing 7 Minutes in Heaven with girls. He's very popular.
We were like roaming in school in a corridor and campus, and we came across people, and we were like, we are starting a business and all that, and so we got them interested. And when they asked what's the business about, we told them it's about dildos or condoms.
Have you ever seen online anybody getting pranked?
Are you going to fool us?
No.
There are many such things like asking for open sex.
There is one more online channel in YouTube only, like QRT or which one is that?
We are QRT.
You are QRT, sorry.
Person dressed like an Arab.
जो oil जिनके होते हैं, oil fields.
You know, you can like dress like an Arab and then run around and like throw bombs on people.
Even saying like something in Arabic and nobody understands Arabic, that's for sure in India. This is like la 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 and throw the bag over them and run.
लोगों को लगता है bomb आ गया, वो गंदा भागते हैं.
Have you guys fooled anybody before?
Obviously, I did.
He fooled me. I thought he loved me, but he was just fooling around with me.
Yes, I did that with my brother. He has one Royal Enfield, and I put his that bike on OLX, saying he wants to sell it for 10,000 rupees, and he was loaded with so many phones. कि भाई, and at the end he was like, भाई बेच दी मैंने, हो गया मेरा, मुझे नहीं बेचनी और ये नहीं है मेरे पास बाइक.
Everybody planned and we were going off to a trip to Agra. For some reasons I had a hotel booked over there to celebrate my birthday with my friends, like quite a 6-7 guys with me. Eventually when I reached Agra, nobody turned up.
Nightmare.
He put my number on Dr. Basra's website, and they
Do you do that often?
Look at his hair. I mean, does he require
for
any
hair transplantation actually.
I feel my friends.
What about you? Have you come across any brutal prank?
Maybe I once scared my dad saying that I bumped his car, and he was like, he came out running and then he broke his leg after that.
One time I put a piece of saran wrap on the toilet, so when they peed, it like flew everywhere. I did that to my friend in the US.
Naughty prank परेशान कर सकते हैं किसी को.
Yes, actually, मैंने किसी को बाथरूम में बंद किया है.
और वे
That's not naughty, na?
तुमको ही मैं उल्लू बना लेती हूँ, ठीक है? That would be good.
One of my friends, she is being dating from like 6 years, okay? And हमने क्या decide किया कि हम उसको prank करेंगे, like, and we are deciding this time, okay? तो अब क्या है कि अब उसका बॉयफ्रेंड है 6 साल से. अब हमने पूरा अच्छे से प्लान बनाया है कि अब हम ऐसे प्रैंक करेंगे कि उसकी एंगेजमेंट किसी और से हो रही है. And we're gonna show this.
I used to put lizard on them and I used to call them, oh my god, what is there on your shoulder? And they were like, oh my god, what is there?
My mom told me once that maybe Putin is coming to our school, so I have to dress well. So I was the only one in the class that was like dressed well, and everyone was like looking at me.
2 years back, we had put his number on that gynae site.
There is a fire on your home and I just got scared.
Making someone
Yeah, right.
fool on April Fool. Basically लोग समझ जाते हैं.
He was doing the night shift actually, and then someone from that hospital called him and said, "Sir, are you having a baby?" And he said, "What the fuck? I mean, I'm sleeping. I'm in the middle of the sleep."
Can you guys think of any naughty prank?
There's like toy cigarettes. Like when you smoke, but it's not real smoke. So once I made a prank on my mom, so I bought like cigarettes and I was smoking it in my room, but it wasn't real. And she was like so scared. She was so scared. She was like, when she came in the room, it was like full of smoke, and I was like sitting in the room and smoking. She was like, what the? And like after that, she was so angry at me, but she got it that it was not real. But it's actually good. It's good prank. Yeah.
Maybe you could give us some really cool ideas to prank other people.
He just picked any random girl and he asked me, will you be my girlfriend? I love you and all that stuff. So it was very funny over there. So I liked it.
It's an old one. I mean, go to a lady and say, you look like my old girlfriend. I mean, why are you dating this guy? Maybe this guy.
Have you ever done that?
Yes, I have.
You have? Then what happened?
Nothing. She said, I don't know you. And I said, that's fine. Can we be friends now? So,
If I would call somebody, I would ask them that I'm calling from washing machine company IFB and we got a complaint that आपकी चड्डी फंस गई है. So that can be quite funny.
Okay, so what if you guys had to prank someone right now? What would you do then?
किसी के पीछे जेब में हाथ डाल दो, कह सर आपका पर्स गिर गया था, वापस डाल रहा हूँ.
Maybe a breakup note or something like that. I did it almost a couple of years back. I don't want to talk to you because I heard something about you that you were talking to someone else and things like that. I did it almost a couple of years back.
They hired this small cute kid. Okay. And he was, I mean, too sweet. And this mic was everything was attached, and he was, going up to the girls and, ladies or whatever who were just walking on the street, and he was going up to them and saying, hey cutie, how are you? May I have your number? And, they did not ask even a single question, and they just gave their number to that kid. And, the moment he got their numbers, he used to turn back and used to say, I'll call you cutie.
There's a guy who's going on a metro, and then suddenly it was just about to close the doors. I mean, and he pushed someone out of the door, and the door closed.
Please subscribe to Quick Reaction Team.
My best friend is hitting on my girlfriend, and my girlfriend is enjoying it. What should I do?
Then what he should do is
My girlfriend's very hairy.
What if you become a guy for a day? So if I was a girl, I would definitely check out my boobs.
Fucking nice boy.